Here's how to generate an invoice for your facility. Go to Facility Store, then in the drop-down select All Products. You can find the product you want by using the search bar or filtering by category. Add the products to your cart. Click Go to Cart. Before moving forward, be sure to review the terms and conditions. Check the box to agree. You can select Invoice under Select Payment Method. Then click Generate Invoice. Once the invoice has been generated, a notice will appear at the top of the screen. On your order history page, you can find the order you created the invoice for, and from there you can download and open the invoice. You will also receive an email confirmation that your invoice has been generated. You can then pay the invoice online, or, once you have submitted payment, you can return to your order history and claim that invoice is paid. You will need to provide information on how payment was made before you can proceed. Once submitted, the invoice will now show as claimed as paid.